Cap. Say hi. Hi. No, that's what I tie. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Can you guys tell what we're about to do? Head out with the champion, with the legend, as his shirt says. You're too close. They can't see your properly. Back up. Say hi. Hi.
One, Mayo. Yeah. One, Mayo.
You guys, I'm heading out right now to drop.
One, Mayo.
They heard you. They hear you. They hear you. Baby's already off to work, and I'm just coming on to intro the vlog to find out how y'all doing and show you guys that we're doing good. I don't know what outside is looking like, but the weather this week should be beautiful and bright and sunny and all those good things. So you're gonna have a good day? Yes?
Yes.
Focusing in class, follow instructions, and do all the good things, right? All right, you guys, we're heading out. Have a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Do all the simple things in life to make yourself happy, to make people around you happy, and to make people around you smile. With all that said, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Sarah, say bye. Since you're not saying hi, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Kiss them. Mwah.
Mama, she said bye-bye.
Yes, she did.
Let Mayo.
You guys, you know this hat used to be Tyler's hat? This used to be Tyler's hat. Anyway, you guys, we're out. Oh, you guys finally look like somebody's daughter. You guys, it's been a busy day for me. I just got fresh and what I've been doing so much. I've been working, taking care of my girl and cooking, pre-cooking, because I am going to return back a little bit later from picking up Tyler from school today, because one of Tyler's friend called him yesterday. You guys know Tyler jumper class. You may or may not know that Tyler jumper class. So all his friends that he had in kindergarten, which is maternal for us, they miss him. So he talked to some of them on FaceTime sometime. One called yesterday and wanted him to come and play with him a little bit this evening after school. So I didn't want to just turn him down. So I said, okay, let's go and play with him a little bit, because Tyler have to come home to do homework, whereas maternal don't get homework because he's in big school now. So Tyler, I'm going to take him to the playground to play with his friend a bit before I take him back home. That way also Sarah can let loose a bit. So I'm just prepping dinner, because when we come back, I think it will be just around our dinner time. So I'll just jump right into the rest of whatever I'm preparing for dinner today. So when I get back, you guys will see all of what I will be preparing for the FemBem today. Hopefully you guys are having a good day though. It's sunny here. It's very, very, very sunny here. It's actually about 16 degrees today, so that's really nice weather out. As the evening progresses, you know, it will get a little bit chilly. But anyway, Sarah is taking a nap right now, so I'm gonna pick her up in a bit, and we're gonna head out to pick up Tyler and head to the playground. So you guys will see everybody in a bit. No. Look who's home. No, no.
Hello, Mario. I only got today. My day for today at school is a plus day. In math, I got A plus. In poesy, I got A plus plus.
Bravo, Tyler.
Que de plus? Mais pas à moi, mais pas à normal.
Good job, Tyler. You guys, I'm making dinner, finishing up dinner, making salmon. So I want to see what the air fryer is like with the salmon, and so I'm going to put 2 pieces in the air fryer and 2 pieces in a little oil, just to see what the difference is. It don't really matter for me, but for everybody else, I want to see what it's going to turn out to be when I stick in the air fryer. So let's experiment. Alright, so the air fryer, I put it on 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yes, because I'm going to put
And why it's showing
160. 160 is the temperature.
This wasn't 160. It was
160.
It's not 160.
Yeah, 160 means 160.
Oh.
It's just my short way of saying 160, but you don't say it that way. You say 160.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
So when it's showing 160, it's showing the time that's left.
No, 160 is the temperature.
So 10 is what?
The time that's left.
Okay.
So in the meantime, let me show you guys what I made for dinner. Like I said, I'm doing salmon. I have 2 pieces in oil. And I have green beans here. And I have the pieces here going in the air fryer. And then I have rice over here. So rice is for Sarah, Tyler, and a little for Babe. And the green beans is mostly for me.
And for me.
Yeah, everybody gonna get a taste of the green beans.
And the salmon.
Plate with the salmon from the air fryer, and it tastes just as good as the salmon from the frying pot. All right, so I give Babe a piece from the air fryer, this piece from the air fryer, and this from the frying pot, and it tastes the exact same. I'm gonna see if Babe can tell me the difference, which one is from which. All right, this plate is Tyler's, and that plate is Sarah. So dinner is ready for the fam bam.
Bonjour papa. Aujourd'hui pour moi l'école c'est la journée des plus. À la poésie j'ai eu A++. Aux mathématiques j'ai eu A+.
C'est bien.
Que des plus.
C'est bien. Ce qui est important, c'est qu'avant le plus, il y a un A. Tu es belle.
Ah, merci.
Toi aussi, tu es belle.
Sarah! Jesus Christ!
J'avais faim.
Okay, so I fry one in the air fryer and I fry one in the oil. Tell me which one is from the air fryer and which one is from the oil. Or tell me what's the difference in taste.
I would have tell you at first that this one is from the oil And this one for the hair fryer by looking. But when I just push it like this, I would have tell you this one is from the oil and this one is from the hair fryer.
Okay.
Because I saw so many. I think hair fryer and oil.
Other way around.
Okay.
There's a juice coming from this one. That's actually the fish juice, is not oil.
Okay. It was good like this too.
It's so good from the air fryer.
It's kind of melting.
Melting. 10 minutes.
It's very good.
Tell Fizz night night. Tell Fizz night night. Say night night. Night night. You're putting on that. Ow! Boo! Peekaboo! Leave the fruits. Peekaboo!
Are you?
I see you. Peekaboo! I see you. Stuff is night night. Tell them bye bye. Hey! Tell them bye bye, Sarah. Look, say bye bye. Okay. You're just gonna throw everything off the couch. What you doing? Hey! Put them back. Good girl. Put back the other one. Good girl. Very good. She's all ready for bed now. Tyler and Papa doing finish up his homework because he went to the park today after school with his friends, so we didn't reach home in order for me to do it with him. So they had such a good time at the park, but it's not easy for Tyler to go to the park with his friends after school because Tyler have homework to do, and his friends from that class where he went to see doesn't do homework. They don't start getting homework yet, so he can't be like those. So we have to prioritize. Tyler can't go to the park after school at all, only on the weekend and on the day where there is no school. So he's now hurrying up to finish up homework and then shower and relax a bit before bed. Tell Fizz night night. Tell Fizz night night. You want juice? Tyler, look if you see a juice like this in the fridge, carrot come. She want juice. Ty going for juice. It finished, Sarah. Tyler, hurry up, please. Carrot come for sister. Juice. Say juice. Oh, Ty, hurry. She want juice. Look, see Ty have the juice. Take this one.
I want a little bit.
Open it.
That one.
Open it.
I want some too. I want some, Mama.
So come back for it, Natalia. She not gonna drink it off. More? Wait, Ty. Okay, you can have. She paused. Sarah, the face. Bye bye. Good girl. Tyler, you say night night too, please, because you're going to shower and go to bed.
Night. Night night.
Look.
Night night.
Good morning, guys.
Your favorite person has appeared on today's vlog.
Oh, no.
Where have you been all day? Why you haven't been on the vlog all day? Where have you been?
I wasn't in front of the TV.
So who was in front of the TV?
Yeah, you.
So even if I was in front of the TV, that's where I'm supposed to be.
Yeah, man, you're supposed to be watching TV with your left hand and drinking water with your right hand.
Well, that's my job.
Yes, that's your job.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What's yours?
Me watching computer. You watch TV, I watch computer. Anyway, guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Ooh, it's the end of the day. I have a little headache. That's a long time I didn't have no headache. I'm sure my wife is for something about that headache.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. True. You're
It's
just
really
about to give me
been a
one. My goodness.
Oh my god.
It's been like 3 weeks I didn't have no headache.
Oh my god, it's been a while.
It's been a workout.
Till I didn't even recognize that he didn't say it. Congratulations. And one coming now.
Yeah.
Who giving it? Who giving it?
I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, you have a good day?
Yes.
Yeah. Mine was strange. I didn't feel to do anything today. I just felt like
That's okay. You'll
it's
have
this
those days.
type of days, yeah, when you're just there and you want.
I
You're
have
asking
many of
yourself-
those days sometimes.
You're asking yourself why you're there. You're like this and you're asking,
I have many
why
of
am I
those
there?
days.
Looking at the
That's
clock and I
completely
say, can I leave
normal.
now? And when you have nobody, when you're alone in your office, you have no boss, nobody. And I say, can I leave now? Yes. Oh, yeah, tomorrow will be a better day. Tomorrow will be a more productive day.
Yes,
so.
it will be.
Yes, well, I hope you all had a good day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. And what is supposed to do?
Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Turn on the notification bell. Go over to Mel's Kitchen and subscribe. Go over to Body After Baby and subscribe. See, you have a whole list of things that you need to do before you exit this YouTube channel.
You want to replay and just put again all of the things you're supposed to do?
No,
No, you want to put them in the description?
it's in the description box. Everything was there.
Alright, so
Click, pow.
we'll see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye!
What are you doing? What are you frightening people in for? Every night he come freeze, he kill me. And the freeze just come out of nowhere like